being punctual is the best respect you can give to your time. You know why this quote today? Because children, I am not receiving your homeworks on time. You are not being punctual. Yes, you are working hard, but you are not punctual. You're not respecting your time. So I really wish and I really hope that from now you will respect your time and you will be very punctual in sending your mails. Okay? Let's start with our commercial study session.
Okay, so class 9th, we will be continuing with our chapter number 6, partnership, topic types of partners. First is active partner or working partner. As the name itself suggests, active or working partner means he is the person who contributes the capital and who also takes active part in the management of the firm. He is known to the person who deals with the firm. Second, sleeping or dormant partner. A partner who is inactive. Inactive means he is not sleeping. It means that he is not actively participating in the business firm or in the business organization. He does not take an active part in the management of the firm. He shares his profits and losses of the firm. His liability for the firm's debt is unlimited. He is not known to the person who deals with the firm. Third, secret partner. This type of partner contributes capital and takes an active part in the management of the business. However, his connection with the firm is not known to the outside world. Means he will contribute his capital. He will participate actively in the management in the firm, but his identity will not be revealed. His identity will be kept secret. Fourth, limited partner. The liability of such a partner is limited. Now, limited liability, in the previous video, if you have watched it, you will see that I have explained full meaning of limited liability. So please go and watch that if you have forgot. Limited liability means, the liability of such a partner is limited to the extent of his share in the capital expenditure and profit of the firm. He is not entitled to take active part in the management of the business firm. Means he will just contribute his capital, but he is not actively participating in the firm. Fifth, partner in profits only. As the name suggests, he shares in the profits of the firm but not in the losses. He will only contribute in the profits of the firm. He will not contribute a single penny in the losses. His liability for the firm's debt is unlimited, but he does not take part in the management of the firm. He does not participate in the management of the firm. Sixth, nominal or ostensible partner. Now, such a partner neither contributes capital nor takes part in the management. He does not share his interest in the profit or losses of the firm. He represent himself or knowingly allow himself to be represented in a partner if his name is taken in the partnership or in the management of the firm. And if somebody asks that are you a partner, and he does not denies, that means that yes, he is a partner. Partner by name means nominal partner. Now we have two types of it. First is partner by estoppel and second is partner by holding out. Now, what is partner by estoppel? A person who by his words or conduct represent himself as a partner becomes liable to those who advance money to the firm on the basis of such representation. He cannot avoid the consequences of his previous act. Correct? Means who is a partner by words? Who is a partner by words? He does not have any interest in the partnership firm. Interest means he does not contributes or shares any capital, any profit, any losses in the firm. But if somebody regards him as the partner of that firm, and if he does not denies, then he will be treated as the partner of that firm. Partner by holding out. what it means? When a person is declared as a partner and he does not denies this even after becoming aware of it, he become liable to third party who lends money or credit to the firm on the basis of such declaration. Now he knows it. He knows it. I have termed him as the partner. He knows it. And even after knowing it, he is not denying it. So it means that he is holding out to be a partner himself. This is known as partner by holding out. Minor as a partner. Seventh point is minor as a partner. Now, minor is a person who is below 18 years of age. So, a partner is one, a minor partner is one who has not completed 18 years of age. He is minor, he is below 18 years of age, and he becomes a partner of any firm, any partnership firm. In this case, he will only enjoy the profit and he will not bear any loss. Correct? He will not bear any loss in the organization, in the partnership firm, but he will enjoy all the profits of the firm. The last is sub partner. Sub partner means he is a third person with whom a partner agrees to share his profits derived from the firm. Means partner of a partner. Sub partner means partner of a partner. So he does not take part in the management of the firm. He is not liable for the firm's debt, but still he will be treated as the partner. So now class 9th, we have finished with our chapter number 6, partnership. 8 types of partners I have discussed with you. Go through these, learn them by heart, and in the next session we will be continuing with we will be actually starting with our chapter number 7, which is joint stock company.
हाँ, इसका फोटो खींचा नहीं था।